For the beginner, learning a Blender shortcuts is like learning a new language, right? Now what if I told you that there is add-on that shows you every possible shortcuts live inside Blender viewport? You press Shift, all shortcut instantly update. You press Ctrl or Alt, new one appears. The add-on name is HotkeyBoard. So here's how it works. Once you enable the add-on, go to N menu and click on Show Overlay. It will start showing you the keyboard, and you can scale it up or scale it down according to your requirement. Also, you can change the opacity if you want. So it's actually display all possible shortcuts of your current mode. For example, currently I am in object mode. These are the shortcuts. If I change my mode to the edit one, the shortcuts automatically changed. If I go in sculpting mode, the shortcut change accordingly. Same goes for if I go vertex paint mode, weight paint mode, and also texture paint mode. Still, if I press modifier keys like Shift, Ctrl or Alt, the shortcut automatically update. Also, there is a grease pencil mode. I will press Shift A in a grease pencil, add the monkey and bring it to here. This is the monkey, and I will change these two material. So this is the monkey we have, and if I go there and go to the draw mode, the HotkeyBoard will be shift into a grease pencil mode. Plus, it's also detect the numpad menu. For example, in an input section, if I press emulate numpad, the numpad menu will be appear there. So instead of memorizing endless key from the polling list, you will see all the shortcut every time. It is perfect for beginners because that make learning fast, fun and super interactive. The add-on link is in the description. Thanks for watching.